How to use shield in Kingshot. So once you pretty much unlock the feature, that should be accomplished by pretty much leveling up your town center. But again, once you do, all you have to do to use the shield is go ahead to this little arrow thing found right below the profile. So as you can see here, there's an arrow that's pointing up. All you have to do is press on that over this, and the first option should be the shield. This pretty much protects your city from all enemy attacks and scouting, so if you want to go ahead and use that, just go ahead and press on the shield option. You should be able to use whichever option you have. If you do have the material, there's a 2R shield up to a 72R shield, and also a rechargeable protection shield. This pretty much refreshes attempts with time and protect your city from all enemy attacks again. So if you want to go ahead and use it, just go ahead and press, and it should work as an 8-hour shield. But anyways, that's pretty much how you use a shield in Kingshot. So if this video does help you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.